Hi, welcome to Test Break and Learn. This is episode 2. Okay, so I will just a quick one. I will solder some headers on this board. I know I'm missing this one, the last one. I don't need it right now. I can fix one separate later. I only had these two for now. I want to try some things. My soldering iron is pretty useless. Mostly I think it's my tip. It's not transferring heat very well. Almost not at all. Maybe I'll just do these for now. One on the other side. I only need these pins right now. Okay. That will do for now. I can just test it out now. And I don't have an extractor or anything, so this is my safety for now when soldering. Okay, I got this wired up. I had to solder this pin as well. This is ground. Pin 21, my LED. I'm just gonna try it out. The simple link sketch. Pin 21, just link on and off 500 milliseconds intervals. Okay, let's upload this. Nothing is happening here, and I think this is it. I didn't check which way this LED was connected. There's a marking on this one. This part is flat. This leg is shorter. If you put it the wrong way, it won't work. Like this. It's a diode. It only carries current one way. Okay. This is all I wanted to see and test for now. Hopefully I will get some equipment and I can measure intervals, maybe send some analog values with the PWM signal on the oscilloscope when it arrives. Looking forward to it. And this is all I'm gonna do today. At least it's something. Just a small step. I've done it before. This is the first sketch I did when I got my Arduino Uno. Nothing fancy. You just want to see it working.